In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Blender, one of the most powerful 3D design and animation software. First, open your browser and go to Blender's official website at blender.org. You can also find the link in the description of this video. On the home page, click on the download option in the top menu bar. The version shown by default is optimized for your operating system. For Windows, it's an installer file with the .msi extension. But from here, you can also download other versions for Mac or Linux. You can also download the portable version for Windows, which doesn't require installation. Just download, extract the zip file, and start using it. However, the best option is the default version displayed. So, click the download button. After downloading the file, go to the folder where it's saved and double-click on it. The installation window will open. Click Next to proceed. You'll see the software license. Blender is free, and there's no payment required. Click I agree. Choose the installation path. It's recommended to keep the default path. Click Next again. Now, click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish and launch Blender. The first launch might take a bit longer as it generates cache files. From here, you can adjust some important settings like the language and theme. And that's it for Blender. You're now ready to start your creative projects. Pretty simple, right? If you have any questions or get stuck, let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to help you out.